FIFA VR drone operation tutorial. Product configuration. Charge the battery before use. Connect the battery. Connect the power. The red light stays on when charging. Automatically turns off when fully charged. VR glasses charging demonstration. Connect VR glasses. Connect the power. The indicator light stays on during charging. It automatically turns off when fully charged. Protective cover installation. Align the protective cover with the iron buckle for installation. Install two protective covers in sequence. Pre-flight preparation. Install the remote control battery. Install drone battery. Place the drone on a horizontal surface. Long press to power on the drone. Turn on the remote control switch again. The remote control will automatically synchronize with the drone frequency. One-click calibration of gyroscope. Push up the left joystick to unlock the drone, and push it up again to take off. One-touch takeoff. Rise. Decline. Left rotation. Right rotation. Advance. Back. Left side fly. Fly to the right. Electric camera adjustment. The speed switch makes a beep sound to indicate the low speed gear position. Two beeps indicate the medium speed gear position. Three beeps indicate the high gear position. Long press to activate headless mode. The drone will take the direction indicated by the remote control as a backward direction. Press and hold again to disable headless mode. Press the tumble button and move the right joystick. The drone will perform a 360-degree roll. Long press to activate obstacle avoidance mode. The drone will stop flying when it encounters an obstacle. Press the micro adjustment button briefly to make fine adjustments. If the drone deviates to the left, adjust it to the right. If the drone leans forward, adjust it backward. Long press to turn on, off the lights. 1T landing. Detailed explanation of VR glasses functions. Install the protective ring. Install the memory card. First, synchronize the drone's frequency. Long press the power button to turn on the VR glasses. After putting on VR glasses, the default perspective is that of the VR glasses. Long press to switch to drone camera view. Press the camera button briefly to take a photo. Press the record button briefly to start recording. Press again briefly to save the recording. Press the menu button. You can view the saved photos and videos. Short press the photo video button to switch between photos and videos. Press the menu button again to return to the image transmission screen. Connect to app. Scan the QR code on the instruction manual with your phone system to download the corresponding app. Long press to power on the drone. Connect to the drone's Wi-Fi after the download is complete. Open the app after the connection is completed. You can see the transmission screen immediately. Install mobile phone holder. Just clip on your phone and start flying. Replace the fan blade. First, remove the fan blade from the arm. Be careful to distinguish between the app identifiers. Install the corresponding fan blade.